Hello friends, today we will talk about planetary combinations for lawyer, judicial services in horoscope. Let's see what are the planetary combinations for lawyer, judicial services in astrology. Career in judicial services is also a dream for many. Every year many people get admission in LLB with the dream to become lawyer or judge, being the highly respected field. But all could not be selected for judicial services as there is cutthroat competition. So, I got many queries regarding the career in legal services. People ask me, will I become a successful lawyer or will I be able to get selected for judicial services? Today we will analyze the planetary combinations for career in judicial services in the horoscope. Houses connected with the lawyer judiciary services are first house, second house, third house, sixth house, ninth house, 10th house, 11th house. First house represents overall personality. It is related with physical and mental aptitude of the native. Also show inclination of the native. Second house is known as one of the earth trikona, also represents speech. Lawyer is a profession connected with the influential speech. Third house represents mental abilities, communication, books and files, etc. Sixth house is for litigation and legal matters. Ninth house is for fortune, justice, judiciary, duty, court. 10th house represents career, profession. 11th house is for profit, daily income. Planets connected with the lawyer judiciary services are Sun, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars and Rahu. Sun represents the government, kingdom. It's connected with 10th house, indicates higher government post. Jupiter is the planet of knowledge, wisdom, justice, fortune. Native having strong Jupiter in birth chart become good lawyer and who take wise decision on the basis of arguments made. Mars is the planet of passion, energy, courage. Strong Mars in the horoscope make the native fiery who takes quick decision and react accordingly. Saturn is the planet of law. It represents justice known as Karam Faldata. Each lawyer has to wear black coat represented by Saturn. Mercury represents mental abilities, intelligence and speech. Rahu also have importance in the career of judiciary services. Rahu is illusion, diplomatic. Sometimes lawyer needs to use false statements. Sometimes they act in a diplomatic manner. Rahu connection with Mercury makes the native clever at speech, argumentative, diplomatic. A strong Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury in the horoscope takes the native into judicial services. A strong position of any two in the horoscope and making connection with Earth Trikona makes the native a good lawyer. Second house lord Mercury, Rahu are connected with 6th and 10th house, and there are connection between 6th and 10th houses, then the native will be a good litigation lawyer. A strong Sun and Mars in the horoscope may take the native on highest position. Connection between 6th house, 9th house, 10th house with Jupiter, Mercury also take the native into legal services. As we know, second house, 6th house, 9th house, 10th house are the main houses connected with the profession of lawyer, judge. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Mars, if connected with second house, sixth house, ninth house, 10th house, native will be a successful lawyer. In case fourth house and its lord have connection, then the native brings interest in real estate law. A strong Mars connection with sixth house gives the native enough courage to fight against complicated litigation. Jupiter must have connection with the first house, second house, sixth house, ninth house, 10th house. Saturn influence must also be there to become successful legal practitioner. Jupiter, Saturn conjunction in 9th, 10th houses with their lords also make the native lawyer. 8th and 12th houses impact is also seen in case of specialization. Due to such houses impact, native is able to bring hidden truth to the world. Sun, Mercury, Jupiter connection to 9th house and 10th house. Saturn with 2nd house, 5th house, 8th house, 10th house, 12th house. Native will be a successful lawyer. Most of the Gemini, Libra and Sagittarius people have seen with law degree. Air signs are most suitable for law services. Venus, Mercury conjunction in a house is also seen in the chart of many lawyers. Exalted Mars in 2nd house, 6th house, 9th house, 10th house gives career in judicial services. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Sun connection with 10th house gives career in judicial services. Mars, Mercury in 10th indicates judge. Mars connection with Trikona gives courage to make arguments. Lagna Lord in 10th house, Jupiter, Saturn connected. Lagna Lord have connection with 6th house, 9th house, takes the native into legal services. Mars with Jupiter, Mars with Venus, Venus in exaltation indicates the native good orator and lawyer. Exalted Jupiter connected with 6th house, 10th house, strong Sun in birth chart, native can work as judge. So there are many combinations with ascendant, 2nd house, 6th house, 9th house, 10th house, 11th house, and Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, which takes the native into the career of law. So friends, this is all about career in judicial services. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.